A quick little 4K video recording test of the Blackberry Priv. As you can see, I have this flower focused in. You can see how the background is blurred, the quality, and you can also capture photos while recording the video. So let's see if I move my camera here. So I need to focus it manually. So we're not gonna focus on its own. Let's see here. It does take time to focus to where I want to focus, but it's good. You can see now it has focused everything up. Detail is good. Frame rate is 30 FPS, so it's looking really refreshing here. You can see here, we can zoom in like this. Wow, it's really awesome. One of the best 4K results I've seen on smartphone this year. You can also hear my audio or my voice. You can see we can zoom in like this. Extremely nice quality. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for the full review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.